Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Peter, and hello to all our wonderful listeners.
I'm Peter, and it's so great to be here again today.
I'm Lily, and I'm doing very well. Thank you.
I woke up full of energy today, and I'm ready for a new episode.
I had a busy morning, but now I feel excited for today's lesson.
And to everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and please click like on this video and share it with your friends.
It really helps us a lot when you share our lessons.
So, Peter, what is our topic for today?
Today, we're going to talk about daily life and simple routines.
Daily life means the things we do every single day, from morning to night.
This topic is perfect because everyone can talk about their routine.
Let's start from the beginning. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
The very first thing I do is wake up.
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
I wake up a little later, around 7 o'clock.
Sometimes I stay in bed for 2 or 3 minutes because it's warm and comfortable.
I understand that feeling. My bed is warm too.
After waking up, I go straight to the bathroom.
I also go to the bathroom early in the morning.
I wash my face with cold water to help me wake up.
I prefer warm water, but cold water sounds very refreshing.
After washing my face, I always brush my teeth.
Brushing teeth in the morning is very important for a healthy smile.
Next, I get dressed for the day and choose clothes that are comfortable.
For work, I usually wear a neat shirt and comfortable pants.
Sometimes I wear a t-shirt and jeans or a simple dress if I want to look nice.
Breakfast is my favorite part of the morning.
I love breakfast too, and I'm always hungry when I wake up.
I drink coffee every morning to help me wake up.
I'm a tea person, and I drink a cup of green tea with my breakfast.
For breakfast, I usually have toast with butter or scrambled eggs.
I often eat yogurt with fruit like strawberries or bananas because it is healthy.
After breakfast, I go to work and start my day.
I take the subway to work because the station is close to my home.
I ride my motorbike to work, and it takes about 15 minutes.
On the subway, I often listen to music or an English podcast.
When I ride my motorbike, I enjoy the fresh air and quick travel.
I arrive at my workplace and I teach English to students.
I work in an office where I sit at a desk and use my computer all day.
Teaching gives me a chance to talk to many people every day.
Office work is quiet, but I like the steady pace and the tasks I do.
Around midday, I start to feel hungry and I look forward to lunch.
I usually finish work tasks in the afternoon and then take my lunch break.
I often bring lunch from home, like rice with vegetables and chicken.
I usually eat at a small restaurant near my office and choose noodles or a salad.
I always drink water with my lunch and try to stay hydrated all day.
Drinking water throughout the day helps me stay focused at work.
After lunch, I return to work and continue teaching in the afternoon.
I continue my office work until 5 o'clock in the evening.
I finish my lessons at 5 and then I return home on the subway.
I ride my motorbike home, sometimes through busy traffic.
When I get home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes.
I like putting on shorts and a t-shirt to relax after work.
I usually sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes to relax my mind.
A short rest after a long day helps me feel better and calm.
Sometimes I go for a walk in the park near my house for about 30 minutes.
A walk in the park is a great way to get light exercise and clear your head.
After my walk, I come home and think about what to cook for dinner.
I like to cook, and I often make pasta with tomato sauce or chicken with rice.
I enjoy cooking too, and sometimes I make a big vegetable soup for dinner.
When I'm tired, I make a quick omelet with cheese.
Eating dinner at the table without TV is a peaceful habit I try to keep.
I sometimes watch the news on TV while I eat to know what is happening in the world.
In the evening, I read a book or sit in my favorite chair to relax.
I usually watch a comedy movie or a TV show to laugh before bed.
I like calm music in the evening, such as jazz or classical, to help me relax.
Sometimes I call my family in the evening to share our day and talk.
Talking with family at night helps me feel connected and happy.
As the night gets later, I prepare for bed by taking a shower.
I prefer a warm shower before bed because it is relaxing and helps me sleep.
After my shower, I brush my teeth again and put on my pajamas.
I brush my teeth at night too because it keeps my teeth healthy.
I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock at night.
I go to sleep a little earlier, around 10:30, to get enough rest.
I turn off the light and sleep after a long day of work and activities.
And in the morning, we wake up again to start the day and repeat our routine.
Simple sentences like I wake up, I eat, and I go to work help learners speak about their day.
You can tell people about your routine using the same simple phrases and practice every day.
Thank you for listening, and we hope this conversation helps you practice English.
Please tell us in the comments below what you eat for breakfast today.
Do you prefer toast like me, or cereal like Lily, or something different?
We love reading your answers and sharing them with our listeners.
That is all for today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you in the next episode. Take care.
Welcome back, everyone, to part 2 of our conversation about daily life.
Thank you for joining us again. We are so happy to continue with you today.
In part 1, we talked about everything from waking up to preparing for bed.
And in part 2, we will go deeper into habits, free time, evening routines, and personal preferences.
So, Lily, after dinner and relaxing a bit, what do you usually do next?
After dinner, I often clean the kitchen because I like starting the next day with a tidy space.
That is a good habit. I usually wash my dishes right after eating, too.
A clean kitchen makes me feel calm and organized.
After cleaning, I sometimes stretch or do some light exercise at home.
Stretching is very helpful, especially after sitting at work or teaching all day.
Do you do any exercise in the evening, Lily?
Sometimes I do yoga for about 15 minutes to help my body relax.
Yoga is great for flexibility and calming the mind.
Yes, and it helps me sleep better at night.
After stretching, I sometimes check my messages or reply to emails.
I do that too, but I try not to use my phone too much before bed.
That's a healthy habit because too much screen time can affect sleep.
Exactly. So I usually put my phone away at least 1 hour before I sleep.
Instead of the phone, I sometimes listen to soft music in the evening.
Music is a wonderful way to relax, especially calm piano or jazz.
What kind of music do you enjoy the most at night?
I like slow acoustic songs because they make me feel peaceful.
That sounds very soothing.
Do you ever read books at night, Peter?
Yes, I often read novels or self-improvement books before sleeping.
Reading is also part of my routine because it helps me slow down.
Sometimes I read for 20 minutes, sometimes for an hour.
The important thing is that reading helps the mind relax.
What is your favorite kind of book, Lily?
I enjoy fantasy stories because they take me to another world.
That must be fun to imagine magical adventures.
Yes, I love characters, different worlds, and creative ideas.
I prefer books about real life and learning new skills.
That is very useful and practical.
After reading, I usually prepare things for the next day.
I do that too. I choose my clothes, prepare my bag, and organize my schedule.
Preparing ahead saves time in the morning.
And it reduces stress because everything is ready.
After that, I brush my teeth again to keep them healthy.
Dental care is so important, morning and night, every day.
Then I put on my pajamas and check if my room is comfortable.
I like my room cool and quiet when I sleep.
I also prefer a cool room because it helps me sleep deeper.
Sometimes I spray a little lavender mist to help with relaxation.
That sounds amazing. Lavender is known to reduce stress.
And I turn off the bright lights and use soft, warm lighting before bed.
Soft lighting helps signal the brain that it's time to rest.
Exactly. And it makes the room feel more cozy.
Before sleeping, I sometimes think about what I'm grateful for.
That's a beautiful habit. Gratitude brings peace to the heart.
It helps me end the day with positive feelings.
I sometimes write in my diary about my thoughts and feelings.
Writing is a great way to clear the mind before sleeping.
It helps me understand myself and track my growth.
After all these steps, finally I turn off the lights and sleep.
I usually fall asleep quickly because my routine relaxes me.
Now let's talk about weekends because weekends are part of daily life too.
Good idea. Weekends are very different from weekdays.
What do you usually do on Saturday, Lily?
On Saturday morning, I like to sleep a little longer than usual.
I do that too. Weekends are perfect for extra rest.
After waking up, I make a slower breakfast like pancakes or fried eggs.
That sounds delicious. I love big weekend breakfasts.
And you, Peter, what do you do on weekends?
I usually clean my apartment on Saturday morning.
Cleaning makes the home feel fresh and comfortable.
Yes, and I like starting the week with a clean space.
After cleaning, do you go out or stay home?
I often go out to meet my friends for coffee.
That sounds fun. I sometimes meet friends too.
We talk, laugh, and enjoy time together.
Social time is very important for happiness.
On Sunday afternoon, I sometimes take a nap.
Naps are wonderful because they refresh the body.
Do you take naps on weekends?
Sometimes, but usually I prefer going for a long walk.
A long walk is great exercise and helps clear the mind.
Yes, and I love being outside and seeing nature.
On Sunday, I often spend time with my family.
That is lovely. Family time is priceless.
We eat lunch together and talk about our week.
My weekends are quieter. I like reading or cooking new recipes.
Cooking new recipes sounds fun and creative.
It is, and I like trying different flavors from other countries.
Do you enjoy spicy food, Lily?
Yes, I love spicy food, especially Thai dishes.
I enjoy spicy food too, but not too spicy.
Ha! Yes, very spicy food is not for everyone.
After weekend activities, Sunday night feels peaceful.
Yes, I use Sunday night to prepare for a new week.
I organize my tasks and review my goals.
And I plan my lessons and prepare materials for my students.
A good plan makes the week easier.
Absolutely. Planning is part of a healthy routine.
Let's talk about morning habits again, because many learners ask about them.
Sure, a strong morning routine can change the whole day.
For example, drinking water first thing in the morning is helpful.
Yes, it wakes up the body and hydrates after sleeping.
I also make my bed every morning.
I do that too because it makes the room look clean instantly.
Do you eat breakfast every day, Lily?
Yes, always. Breakfast gives me energy to start my day.
Many people skip breakfast, but it's not a good habit.
True. We need fuel in the morning to feel strong and focused.
What time do you start working on weekdays?
I usually start teaching at 9 o'clock.
I start my office work at 8:30.
So you wake up earlier than I do.
Yes, but I enjoy my peaceful mornings.
Morning quiet time is wonderful for mental health.
In the afternoon, do you feel sleepy sometimes?
Yes, especially after lunch, but I drink water to stay awake.
I sometimes walk around the office for a few minutes.
Moving the body helps refresh the mind.
After work, routines are important too.
They help the mind switch from work mode to rest mode.
For example, changing clothes helps me relax quickly.
Yes, comfortable clothes make me feel at home instantly.
And a little rest on the sofa is perfect after a long day.
A short break gives your mind time to settle.
Then comes dinner, one of my favorite times.
Me too. Cooking is relaxing and enjoyable.
Do you prefer cooking or eating out?
I prefer cooking because I can choose healthy ingredients.
That's a great reason. I like cooking for the same reason.
After dinner, evenings are for hobbies and personal time.
Exactly. Hobbies make life richer and more fun.
And they help us grow outside of work.
Speaking of hobbies, do you have a favorite one?
Yes, I love painting when I have free time.
That's incredible. Painting is very creative.
What about you, Peter?
My hobby is playing guitar in the evening.
Music is a wonderful way to express emotions.
Yes, and it helps me relax after a busy day.
So, as we see, everyone has different routines, and that is okay.
Yes, the important thing is to have healthy habits.
And to take care of our mind and body every day.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to part 2 of our daily life conversation.
We hope it helps you practice English and learn useful phrases.
Please comment below and tell us, what do you do in the evening?
We love reading your answers and learning about your daily routines.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode and take care.